In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com templates effectively. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to streamline your workflow, templates can be a game changer, saving you both time and effort. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to navigate to Monday.com. Open your preferred web browser, type in the URL, and hit enter. You'll be welcomed by the Monday.com homepage, sparkling with opportunity to enhance your project management experience. Next, to access your workspace, you'll want to click on the Login button. It's prominently displayed on the upper right corner, ensuring a smooth entry into the platform. Once you're on the login page, you'll see several options to proceed. Choose the option to log in using Google, which is not only efficient, but also secure. By selecting Google, you'll be prompted to pick from the list of your Google accounts. Select the account linked to your Monday.com profile, and voila, you're in. Now that you're successfully logged in, it's time to start exploring templates. Look to the left panel of your workspace. You'll see a plus icon there. This icon is your gateway to new capabilities within Monday.com. Go ahead and click it. A host of options will greet you, one of which is labeled Template Center. Clicking on this will lead you into a world of pre-configured templates designed to make project management easier and more efficient. Inside the Template Center, you'll find a variety of categories to choose from, but let's simplify the process. Head over to the search bar within the Template Center. This tool is your best friend when you have a specific template in mind. Type in the name or keywords of your desired template. The system will then display the most relevant options tailored to your needs. Found a template that fits your requirements? Great! The final step is to click on Use Template. This does the magic by integrating the selected template into your workspace. All your template details will be ready and laid out, saving you from starting from scratch. Now you're all set to customize and start working immediately. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate and use templates on Monday.com, ensuring a more organized and efficient way to manage your projects. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this walkthrough simplifies your journey with Monday.com templates. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides.